Hello, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Watch 2 Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu, then scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, select the brightness option, then tap on the level, and here we can scroll through the levels of brightness through the list by swiping up and down on the screen. Select the brightness level you like to use. For example, let's select 5 and then tap on the check mark to confirm. As you can see, the brightness changed. Let's bring it back to 3 like this. And once you're done adjusting the brightness, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.